Afternoon team, how are we? Hope you're all doing really well. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Tom. If you're new, thanks for joining. And today we are out to give my verdict on them, the Bridgestone's Battleaxe BT023 Grand Touring tyres. Oh, I'll give you a race. As I was saying, these are my new Bridgestones. So far, super pleased. They are honestly really, they're really good. So I had the old Dunlops replaced last Thursday, and then the Friday after, I poodled on up to Wales, where I spent all day Saturday hooning round Wales on A roads, B roads, mountain roads, you name it. It was good. It gave me quite a good chance to test these tyres, and I have to say they performed remarkably. Overall handling of the bike has improved. Sorry, I like that bit. Yeah, overall handling improved, you know, tenfold. It's transformed the bike, and everybody said it would. Everything online, all the forums, you know, Facebook pages, everybody said as soon as you change the tyres, bike transforms, and they were not wrong. Ooh! I think with these new tyres, and I've got this new confidence now in handling, I'm enjoying parts of the road and areas that, you know, I've been riding for so long, that I've now got this newfound big bollock confidence that I know when I hit that corner I'm going to get through it. So I'm riding around some of these back roads now on the on one of my favourite roads. Been out here a couple of times in the videos, the BT023, and I know that some of these roads are super fast. On my old bike, the BMW that I had, the F800R, I used to hound it around here. That was on Bridgestones as well, but it was a different type of bike. It was a bit more sporty, but yeah, I used to absolutely cane it around out here on that. Whereas this, I've been a bit more sensible and a bit more grown up. Now we've got that new rubber, she's a bit more playful, essentially. Where are you going? Are you going to let me go? Oh, golly gosh. Because I have fog lights. Yeah, even on these greasy little roads, I don't feel like I'm going to come unstuck. Whereas before I was kind of like, oh, I don't want to go out in the wet, I don't want to go out when it's a bit shitty. Now look at me, changed man. Oh, I got a wet bottom. It's made me enjoy riding the bike a bit more as well, because I'm not having that doubt in the back of my mind of shit, what if? Whereas now I'm kind of just like, nah, just lean into it, stop being a pussy. Price, not too shabby. All in, both tyres fitted as well, it was $260. I had to go to my local dealer purely because the local company, Taylor Tyres, was so busy I couldn't get in there, so I had to go to Kawasaki, which wasn't a bad thing to be fair, because I went in there and had coffee and contemplated buying the 1000, which could be happening. The road noise is a bit worse than the old tyres. Yeah, it's a little bit louder. Not unbearable, but definitely noticed it on the cruise back from Wales on the M5. Just cruising along, you notice it was a bit noisier than the previous tyres. Sorry. Piss off the locals of Pendine. Oh my gosh, I can't see nothing. Oh, I don't like it. Mud on road, that's inviting, isn't it? Oh my god, I can't see nothing. Oh my god, there is mud on the road. Oh no. All of that shit. But as you can see, these tyres are doing tremendous work. Now on a dry day, this part of the road is super quick. And as you can see, it is today as well. Yes. Big thumbs up from me, these tyres. Big thumbs up. You know, everything from the price to the handling. Everything is positive. Slow? No. Lovely jubbly. I love going fast every now and then. Right then guys, and on that note, probably going to end the video here. If you found it at all informative about whether you want to buy these tyres or not, do it. You won't be disappointed. Genuinely, you won't be. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep up to date with my content, I'll leave my Instagram in the description. Oh, I love that bit of road. Sorry. And if you want to see more content, please hit subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao for now.